Hello everyone, I'm here with another video for another solution. Guys, I've noticed that while installing the macOS, that once you continue with a license agreement, and you'll have to select the hard disk to install. But the problem is here, the disk is not appearing, it's not showing to install the OS. So the solution is you will have to initialize the disk and create a partition, and then it will appear here. So you can install the operating system. So let me show you how we can do it. So we go back, okay, and close this installation menu, and we'll go back to we'll back we'll come back to the macOS utilities. We'll go to disk utility, click continue. Alright, here the VMware disk should be appearing here. In case if it's not appearing, you go to view menu and click on show all the devices. Here you will see the VMware hard disks. Once the hard disk appears, click on it and click erase, and you can name it and keep the rest of the setting same as is. Alright, and click erase, and it will be ready for the installation. The system will initialize the disk and mount it as well for us to install the operating system. Here you go. So the erase process is completed. So we'll click done to continue. We'll have to exit the disk utility. We will come back in the Mac OS installation utility, click on install OS, click continue. Alright, click continue again. Here in the license agreement, click agree. Again click agree, and here you go. Here the hard disk is showing for us to install the operating system. So click on the hard disk and click on install. Here you go. The installation has been started and it's being done. Thank you for watching.